everybody, welcome back. This is Cricket with another sticker haul. This one is from Cheerful Planner Girl, and I do have a code for her, but she's going to be in the TPC sale on Thursday at 50% off. So that's the code you're going to want, but you can still use my name and you will get a freebie plus lots and lots of other freebies that she's going to have for you. But this one right here, I want to show you this haul. First of all, this is the Cheerful Planner rewards card. You collect 5 mermaid tails for a $10 shop credit. And these are the mermaid tails. So you just put the tail in the box, take a picture of the box and send it to Cheerful Planner Girl, and you will get a $10 shop credit. I mean, hello, how easy is that? Also, you snap a picture of your sticker haul, post the picture on Instagram, use hashtag MyCPGHaul, tag a Cheerful Planner Girl, or tag at a Cheerful Planner Girl, and one winner will be chosen at the last day of the month. So definitely do that, people. Just take a picture and put it on Instagram and tag her, and you have a chance to win. That's awesome and easy. So there's that. And then I ordered during the last TPC sale, and this was the freebie. And I love that she gave this because it also told me that the next TPC sale was February 7th through the 11th. So I'm definitely going to be putting that in my calendar. And then I love her freebies. Look at here. How sweet are those? And I love the happy and the balloon. So very, very cute. Love them all. And then this was my freebie. You got a full heart checkbox, a snowman with a happy mail, hair dryer and shears because I'm a hairdresser, a heart, and then a little tiny chihuahua because I have one of those as well. So that was one of the freebies that you could have gotten when you gave them my name. But this is what I ordered. I ordered the CFA Run, so ChickfilA Run, and look at those cows. Are those not the most adorable cows? Look at there. How cute are they? They're so stinking cute. I cannot wait to use them. So you can use the cow by itself or you can put it all together. I adore this. And then I ordered the Gummy Bear kit. And this is what you get in it. She's so generous. I cannot believe this. So she gives you all these full boxes, then half boxes, and then these little gummy bears. Now, how cute are the gummy bears? Very cute. And then she gives you the days of the week, this color. Then on the kit that I ordered, you get the today, the to-do, and little things, and then your sidebar boxes, and look at those, the check boxes are Gummy Bears. How cute is that? Then another full box, your sidebar bar Monday through Sunday, to clean, dinner, and reminder, another little gummy bear over here, and then 2 bow boxes, but look what's in the bow, y'all. It's a gummy bear. Oh my God, how cute is that? Then she also, as generous as she is, gives you 2 things of day covers. And they're 4 different colors. I don't know if it shows up really well on this one, but this is almost like a red and then an orange and then a pink and like a yellow gold. Hello, beautiful. And then here is your bottom washies. Cute as ever. Another full box. More sidebar, some deco down here, which is a trash can, TV, laundry, crock pot, or Instapot, whichever one you want to make it, money, and then she gives you a whole nother set of Monday through Sundays, and a gummy bear and happy mail, and then 2 more half boxes with the gummy bear in the bow. So, you get 2 sets of day covers. You can use this for 2 different weeks. It is amazing how much she gives you. Then I got these icons, the little tiny gummy bears. I had to have them. Are they not the sweetest thing in the world? And I do believe Caitlin likes gummy bears, just saying. And then this was the TPC freebie when you spent over $10. It is 2 full boxes of gummy bears, 2 half boxes of gummy bears, and 2 quarter boxes of gummy bears. You get this, and oh my gosh, you have a kit for like 3 weeks, almost 3 weeks, people. And then I got another one. This was for the Recollections Classic. It's the vertical. And this one has all of these full boxes, the day covers, half boxes, and then the gummy bears. Cute. And then, I didn't realize this one. Oh, this is the TN kit. So when you order it for the TN, so I use this for my personal wides. Plus, I mean, if you have leftovers of this too, hello, you can kind of combine. So 4 full boxes, quarter boxes, half boxes, days of the weeks, again, more Gummy Bears. So, I mean, and look at the colors. They're vibrant as all get out. Now this is how generous she was. This was the freebie if you spent over $15. There's your check boxes. Look at them, all of them. All 8 are check boxes with the Gummy Bear as the check. Then she gives you even an extra little Gummy Bear and her, because I like to put her when I use her kits on my kit. So that is what I got from Cheerful Planner Girl. You can go on over and start filling up your carts, because she is going to be 50% off, people. 50. And she is quick. A lot of her stuff is already ready to go. So she is quick and on the ready to mail it out, so you won't have to wait. And I love everything about her. She's precious. Go see her. And don't forget to mention my name in the notes to seller, Cricket, and get a freebie. And also keep an eye on Planner Nina _Cricket on Facebook and on Instagram, because I am constantly running all the sales and all the new stuff that she's showing, even the old stuff she's showing that will be in the sale. So don't forget to check out that, or, you know, become friends with me on, you know, on Planner Nina _Cricket. So I hope y'all have an awesome, blessed day. Don't forget, the TPC sale is this Thursday, the 7th, and the big live is on the 6th. So you need to friend TPC, the Planner Collaborative sale, on Facebook, so that you will get the code 1 hour earlier. So go check them out. All right, I'll talk with you later. Bye-bye.